What if you could reduce your kitchen food waste by up to 90% with the press of a single button, without bad smells, messy compost piles, or attracting bugs? If you're tired of taking out the trash every day or wasting leftover food, this smart kitchen appliance could completely change the way you manage food waste. Before we get started, if you love discovering innovative Amazon gadgets and premium kitchen products that actually make life easier, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because we feature the best Amazon finds every week. Today we're checking out the Food Cycler Eco 5 electric kitchen food recycler. At first glance, it looks like a modern countertop appliance, but it's actually one of the smartest kitchen investments you can make. Unlike traditional compost bins that can take weeks or even months to break down food scraps, the Food Cycler Eco 5 transforms your kitchen waste into nutrient-rich plant food in just a few hours. And the best part? You don't have to stir it, monitor it, or even think about it. Simply toss your food scraps into the removable 5-liter bucket, press one button, and let the machine do all the work. If you'd like to check today's price, customer reviews, and any available Amazon discounts, you'll find the direct Amazon product link in the description below. Since Amazon prices can change frequently, it's always worth checking to see if there's a limited time deal available. One of the biggest reasons people avoid composting is the smell. Thankfully, that's not an issue here. The Food Cycler uses a refillable carbon filter that helps absorb odors while it's running, allowing you to recycle food waste indoors without filling your kitchen with unpleasant smells. It also operates quietly, making it ideal for apartments, condos, and busy family homes. Now let's talk about capacity. Most countertop composters require frequent emptying, but the Food Cycler Eco 5 features one of the largest buckets in its category. With a generous 5-liter capacity, it can handle fruit peels, vegetable scraps, leftovers, coffee grounds, eggshells, and much more. Thanks to its innovative Vortech grinding system, it can even process tougher food waste like small bones and fruit pits that many competing machines can't handle. That's a huge advantage if you're looking for a more versatile food recycling solution. Another impressive feature is its energy efficiency. Despite its powerful grinding and drying system, the Food Cycler uses less electricity than the average household clothes dryer, making it a practical option for everyday use. And let's be honest, anything that helps reduce trash, minimizes odors, and creates useful plant food instead of landfill waste is a win for both your home and the environment. It's no surprise this appliance has earned awards for its modern design and innovative technology. Whether you're passionate about sustainability, enjoy gardening, or simply want a cleaner, more convenient kitchen, this appliance makes food waste management surprisingly easy. Backhand index pointing right if you're interested in upgrading your kitchen with the Food Cycler Eco 5, be sure to check the Amazon link in the description below. You'll find today's price, customer reviews, full product specifications, and any limited time discounts that may be available. If you enjoyed this review and want to discover more smart kitchen gadgets and premium Amazon finds, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments, would you use a food recycler like this in your home? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Amazon find.